Good morning children. Today we'll do English language. Lesson 17 Adjectives. So open out your English language book to page 54. Today we'll do page 54, 55 and 57. So open out your books, take your pencils and write R-E-A-D, read. Now before that look at the board, see what I'm explaining. Today I'm explaining adjectives to you. What is the meaning of adjectives? Now first we'll read the sentence. Number 1. Ram is a good boy. Number 2. This is a big garden. Number 3. It is a soft cake. Now you look at these words which I have underlined. Good, big and soft. Words which tell us more about the nouns, that is person, place or thing, are called adjectives. Now words that tell us more about the noun. Now in this sentence, boy is a noun. So Ram, what type of boy he is? He is a good boy. So good turns the adjective, describing what type of a boy he is. Second sentence, this is a big garden. It is describing the garden. What type of a garden? It is a big garden. Third, it is describing it is a soft cake. What type of cake it is? It is describing the noun cake. What type of cake? Soft cake. So, words which tell us more about the nouns. That is, person, place, which tell us more about a person, place or things are called adjectives. Describing words are called adjectives. So, what are adjectives? Describing words are called adjectives. Here it is describing. What type of a boy? Good. What type of a garden? Big. What type of a cake? Soft. So what are adjectives? Describing words are called adjectives. Remember this. Describing words are called adjectives. Now open out your books to page 5454. Now in 5454 again the same sentences are there. Now see, Ram is a good boy. This is a big garden. It is a soft cake. So the same thing I explained on the board. It is describing what type of a boy, what type of a garden and what type of a cake. So words which tell us more about a person, place or thing are called adjectives. Take your pencils and underline. Describing words are called adjectives. Which is written in yellow, underline it. Describing words are called adjectives. And on the top write down with your pencils R-E-A-D, read. R-E-A-D, read and underline. Describing words are called adjectives. Now see the next page, page 55. See the sentence again. I see a red balloon. Now, sentence 2. Babies have little fingers. Number 3. I have 5 pencils. Now here also it is describing. Now what type of a balloon? Red balloon. Babies, how many fingers do they have? They have little fingers. Babies have little fingers. And how many pencils does he have? He has 5 pencils. So see in these sentences, color words, example red, blue, green are adjectives. Words that tell us about shape and sizes are all adjectives like little, short, round, etc. All number words, example 1, 4, 5, etc. are adjectives. We can describe nouns with the help of color words, number words, shapes and sizes. So remember this. Now turn to the next page, page 57. Now we will do this assignment. Take your pencils in your hand and fill in the blanks with choosing the correct describing word from the bracket. Now in the bracket you have 2 words. We have to choose the correct one by looking at the picture. It is a dash building. Now in the bracket you have tall and short. Now look at in the picture, it is a tall building. So you will write, underline T-A-L-L, tall, and in the blank write T-A-L-L, tall. Number 2, I am eating a dash cake. Look at the cake. In the bracket you have soft and hard. What type of a cake it is? It is soft. Underline soft and in the bracket write S-O-F-T, soft. Now look at the third one. The tiger is a dash animal. You have in the bracket strong or weak. So a tiger is a strong animal. Underline strong and write S-T-R-O-N-G, strong in the blank. Now take number 4. See the dash grass. What color is the grass? In the bracket you have green and black. So underline green and in the bracket write G-R-E-E-N, green. Now look at number 5. There are dash stars in the sky. In the bracket you have one and many. See in the picture how many there are? There are many. So you will underline many and write M-A-N-Y, many. Now look at number 6. The dash, see the dash moon. Full or half? Now you can see this moon. This is full or half? It is full. So underline full and write in the blank F-U-L-L, full. Now see number 7. Do you see the dash snake? In the bracket you have long and short. Now the snake, see in the picture, it is a long snake. So underline L-O-N-G, long, and in the blank write L-O-N-G, long. Now see the last one. It is a dash butterfly. In the bracket you have beautiful and ugly. Now look at this butterfly, it is beautiful. So underline with a pencil, underline beautiful, and in the bracket write beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful. So once more children, I am reading out the blanks. First one you will write tall, second one you will write soft, third one you will write strong, fourth one you will write green, fifth one you will write many, sixth one you will write full, seventh one you will write strong, and eighth one you will write beautiful. So this is the blank. I hope you have underlined in the bracket. First one you will underline tall, second one you will underline soft, third one you will underline strong, fourth one you will underline green, fifth one you will underline many, sixth one you will underline full, seventh you will underline long, and eighth you will underline beautiful. So we are finished with adjectives. Now I will send you assignments tomorrow of the adjectives. Have a good day children. Read your work. Thank you children.